everyone, Serena B here and welcome back to my channel. I know I've been MIA and I do really apologize for that. I have videos planned but just no time to get around to it. I've been really busy. As you guys know, I started a full-time job and I'm busy with Patreon and designing and creating projects and a bunch of other things. So I'm just still trying to catch up and balance, you know, life and work and everything. So I do apologize for being MIA, but I do have a fun, quick project that I really want to share with you guys today. I'm really excited about it. I think it's so freaking cute. This is a swap for an online Instagram friend. I'm not gonna say too much because I don't know if she's gonna be watching this or not, but if she is watching, she kind of knows what it is already and who it's for. But anyway, so we swapped memory dex cards. She was inspired by my altered record project as well as another fellow crafter who made a memory dex card. So she sent me a beautiful Frankenstein's monster record that I love so much. I asked her if I could make her a Christmas or, you know, winter themed, and she said yes. So this is it. I had the idea of creating my own sort of CD or record playlist, so I'll get more into that after. But so my memory dex card or record is called Snowflake Slow Jams. On this picture on Pinterest, it is so freaking cute. I love this kitschy retro style of Christmas and Halloween, and I've been obsessed with it this year. So I found this image and then I just brought it into Photoshop and I created this overlay that says Snowflake Slow Jams with the Magnolia Sky font, and then I printed it out. And then I added, I don't know if you can see, I added some frosted lace stickles, just a little bit around the snowman and his hat and the little bonnet, and then over here, I don't know, just for funsies. I created the base with the paper from Snowflake from Crepe Paper. It was just a scrap piece of paper. I folded it up, punched the memory dex holes with my memory dex punch from Heidi Swap. And if you guys are interested, I'll link products that I can find down below for you guys as well. And then I added some vintage lace that I found at a thrift store. It's beautiful and it adds the perfect kind of just retro feel to the back of it. This is a plastic iridescent snowflake from Walmart that I collected over the years. I just cut it in half and staggered it on both corners here. And I added some foam adhesive to pop up the image. And then I also added everything down with some hot glue. And then I have these crystal acrylic snowflakes that I picked up this year at the Dollarama. So I added two here, one tucked under the photo and then one on top. And then I have also these mirrored stars that are also from Dollarama that I just tucked one under here, one on top, and one over here. And then I also added these iridescent little snowflakes that I got at a different dollar store this year. So I just added two over here. I don't know if you can pick it up. I see the blue gem, but I don't know if I can see the snowflake, but it's there. So that's the front. And then on the inside, I die cut my own little record just using some circle dies from Diamond Dies. So again, I used the Snowflake collection. So these are all stickers from Snowflake. And the back is just pretty simple. So that's my little record. So for the back, I just punched a little notch here so it's easier to remove the record from inside. And what I did here was I added the scrap of lace that I cut from the side and I just added over here. I took the same image and I mirrored it. So I basically flipped it horizontally. And then I changed the opacity to like 60 or 70. And then I searched romantic love songs for winter and Christmas because it is a Snowflake Slow Jams record. So I found these songs and I checked these out and they're actually really good. This is a great mix. So if you guys are interested in creating your own little Snowflake Slow Jams playlist, these are really great songs. Julie London has a beautiful voice. So as you can see, the titles are Warm December, Kissin' by the Mistletoe, Merry Christmas Baby, Christmas Kisses, Song for a Winter's Night, I'd Like You for Christmas, and All I Want for Christmas Is You. So I was kind of looking, like I said, for romantic, you know, lovey-dovey song titles and stuff. And I put the Mariah Carey one last because it's more upbeat and it's not very much a slow jam, but it's a classic song and I just had to put it there. So that's the last one on the record because it's more like upbeat and danceable versus the other ones are more like really sweet love songs. So this is my Snowflake Slow Jams memory dex card. I hope you guys enjoyed this project. I think it turned out so cute and I kind of want to recreate something similar for myself and I hope she likes it. So now I'm going to show you another project I'm currently working on. So I was inspired by a Instagrammer. I'll have her link down below, and I recreated one for my Halloween series and I wanted to make another one for Christmas. So this one again is using the Snowflake collection. All of it is Snowflake except for the background paper here. This is actual vintage paper from a French poetry book. And I've been really loving adding the vintage elements that I'm finding at when I go thrifting into my projects. And then in here, I'm just going to add some goodies and stuff, but I lined the bottom with paper, and then I just created this little embellishment cluster here. Really simple. And then this one is my favorite. I love it so much. I added these gold pearls that match the copper or gold color in the collection, and this is a die, a Spellbinders die. I'm not sure if they still make it, but like I said, if I find the items, I'll link it below if you guys want to check it out in my description box. The next drawer has that, again, that French poetry book paper, and then I'm going to be adding some vintage trims and stuff that I found and different trims for my stash in this drawer. And then the last one, I added this little Santa tag and these little baubles that I have in my stash. It matches the collection perfectly. And then I also have a little snowflake bookmark in here. That is what I wanted to share with you guys today. I hope you're having a great winter so far, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Hopefully you won't have to wait too long for my next video. But yeah, alright. Thanks again for watching. I hope you're doing well. Bye everyone.